So, Bray, sabi mo kanina, kung nakilala ka namin, hindi yung ganito ka magsalita, ganito yung point of view mo. Kung paano ka manalita, ano yung thinking mo?
Well, before, mababa din yung aking self-esteem, yung self-worth na tinatawag. Kasi, yun, nag-start kasi yun dun sa you don't know who you really are, your worth, at saka, yun, yung less yung understanding mo about yourself, about life. So, kung ano lang yung environment na lagi mong nakakasama or parang, let's say, nag-influence sa'yo to become the person that you are at that time. So, yun lang din yung may share mo. Kumbaga, sabi nga, we cannot give what we don't have. Diba? Kung ano yung meron ka, yun lang yung may share mo na magbibigay mong value.
So, ikaw yung taong negative ka rin ang pananaw mo noon?
Most of the time, siguro ganon, medyo negative, at lack of self-confidence, lack of understanding. So, yun yung...
So, paano nagbago yun?
Ang reason kung bakit nagbago yun is I start to study. At I believe na doon nag-i-start yung inspiration ng tao to change kapag mayroon kang naintindihan na something new, something na nag-click sa isip mo na nagre-resonate, na parang makakapag-improve ng yun, yung way of thinking mo at yung understanding mo sa life's principle.
Yung study mo ba ito yung sa school o yung mga personal help?
Good question. Actually, ano yun self-study. Nag-start yun sa kakatanong ko ng question na bakit paulit-ulit lang na nangyayari yung results ko sa buhay ko. Kahit na feeling ko ay meron naman akong ginagawang productive na bagay, is yun, parang yung result ay parang struggling pa rin.
Yes.
So, yun, pagka nagtatanong ka kasi ng questions, right questions sa sarili mo, eventually, yung answer will show up.
Okay, right din, ano?
Yes.
Kasi right
so,
question.
Mag-start talaga na mag-study, and then nag-gain ka ng understanding. Doon nag-start yung inspiration mo to change something. Kasi if you want to change, you must first change.
Yes.
If you want to achieve something different, you have to do something different.
Okay. Sino naman si Brian?
Well, ako siguro, I would say na ako si Brian ng student of life. Yung continuous studying and learning and growing, kasi I believe that's the sole purpose of life.
Okay.
Studying, learning, growing, and sharing.
Wow.
Kasi yun yung purpose ng wisdom, to share it with others.
Yes. Ano yung message mo, bro, sa mga, lalo na sa mga breadwinner, mga tatay,
Siguro yun, study. Kasi that's the only way we can gain understanding through study. So, yun, study, understand, and apply. Kung ano man yung area na gusto mong ma-improve, dapat aralin mo kung paano, and then apply it. Kasi knowledge is not power unless we apply it.
Yes. Thank you, Brian.